Warning, the coins in this video are listed as heirs and they will sell for a lot of money, but all I hope for is the people buying are not real or they don't really get scammed. That is my biggest thing. These are all coins that people have listed or they already sold and they are being described as heirs when in the reality they are simply just damage in my opinion. Now I've seen a lot of heir coins and I've seen a lot of damaged coins, so I have a good idea of what I should be looking for and I want to share that knowledge with you guys. So let's hop into this video. This 1988 decoder, the person's calling it a rim rollover strike heir. The only thing really happening here is physical damage that happened to the coin, and then the coin got circulated, meaning that it went in pocket change, it exchanged hands. One important thing to really understand here is that you may be surprised there are a lot of people out there that are using coins for science experiments, or teachers that are teaching classes will be using different chemicals on coins to see how they react. If you can imagine it, people are doing it to coins. Whether they have ill intent or not, whether they're trying to scam people and say that these are heirs, I think the majority of time people are just damaging coins because they are bored or they want to experiment. In this example here, the person may genuinely think they have a rare coin, but in reality, it's just a damaged coin worth only 25 cents. Now, this coin is a good example of a coin that sold for over $1,000. It only has one bid and the seller only has one feedback, so there's a high probability that this is a fake listing and that hopefully the person that bought it did not actually pay for it, or maybe it was a fake account that bought the Roosevelt dime. Now, sometimes people will do fake bids called shill bidding, where let's say this person is selling the coin and they have a friend or they have another fake account that will bid against each other to increase the bids and the value of the coin. Then a victim that has no idea if the coin is a genuine heir or not will see, oh man, people are bidding on this item. This must be a very rare coin, so I'm going to bid on it too. That is what you want to avoid at all costs. Be very skeptical when you're buying coins. That's why it's so important, if you're really into this stuff, that you want to be buying authenticated coins. This way you can look at the coin in the holder like the NGC or PCGS holder and realize that, hey, this is a genuine coin. There's pretty much a money back guarantee if the coin is not real, but you can study and learn coins that are already in holders. That way you know that that is a genuine example of the coin. But this coin right here, you can see that it just has some severe environmental damage happening that caused all of this look that's happening on the coin. A good rule of thumb that I like to say is that if it looks like a heavy or sharp object went into the coin, like there are caverns or dips and valleys in the coin, that probably means that it is not a factory error. Determining the difference between an error coin and a damaged coin is one of the most challenging parts of the hobby in my opinion, but once you see enough damaged coins and enough error coins, you will simply start to understand that, hey, this is the difference. I completely get it now. Now, this 1955 Lincoln coin sold for just over $2,000. Now, typically when you see damage occurring in certain areas of the coin like this, there's a high chance that someone was bored and they took a power tool and they just started damaging the coin. Now, this seller could have very well found this coin as they described, but just because someone finds a coin does not mean that it's a genuine heir. Now, before I ever bought a coin like this, I would reach out to the seller and tell them, hey, if you get the coin graded and NGC or PCGS signifies that this is an error, then I will buy the coin from you. Otherwise, there's no real way to tell without years of experience that this is a genuine error. I've never seen anything like this, and the fact that the damage uniquely follows around Lincoln's portrait there makes me feel that this is definitely a damaged coin, and you want to stay far away from a coin like this that sold for over $2,000. Do you have an error coin or something that looks weird? Leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.